Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Moffat, and today I'm going to show you how to print student ID card. All you need is PVC papers, then also an Epson printer. Sijui kama camera unaweza ona hapa, usinimulike viatu. This is the printer that you need. So we will print on this paper, this side. So I'm gonna put it here, and then once you have your design, like for example, I already have the design here. You see the design is already in mirror image. Yep. Then you print. You check the printout how it will be. Then mine is okay. Then I'm gonna print. Let it print. Take print to communication. Best story sasa. Say and the light. What's happening? It is printing. Not bad. So, stop.